Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Welcome back to our EVS class. Yes, our EVS class. So, today we are going to do a new chapter. Chapter number 2, that is my body. Yes, we are going to do my body. This is our body. Yes students, this is our body. We are going to learn body parts. Yes, we are going to learn our body parts. So, this is our body. Body is a wonderful machine. Yes, wonderful living machine. Why? Because there are parts in it and they have different functions. Yes students, all the parts of body have different functions. So, the first one is head, the second hand, arm, legs, foot, eyes, nose, ears, lips and chest. Okay, this is our body parts and this is our body. So students, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These 5 are our sense organs. Yes, these 5 are our sense organs. So, further in detail we will study from book.
So dear students, open your comprehensive language learning series and that page number 14. Yes, which page number? 14. See this one. Okay, this page number. Page number 14. Yes. Class 2. Write your date here. Yes, you have to write here a date. See. What is this? Yes, we are going to learn a new chapter, that is my body. What is the name of the chapter? My body. B-O-D-Y, body. This is a body. Yes, it is a body. Yes, there are many parts in the body. Which are they? Can we see? Yes, head, forehead, eye, nose, ear, teeth, mouth, neck, chest, stomach. This one is hand, and that shoulder, elbow, arm and fingers. Yes, and this one is a leg. Yes, it is a leg, and that foot, knee and ankle. This is the structure of a body. Yes, this is the structure of a body. ये सब क्या है? Body के parts है. ये सब क्या है? Parts of a body. Yes students, so let's start the paragraph. My B-O-D-Y, body. I is a W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Yes, what the body is? My body is a wonderful living machine. Yes, body is our wonderful living machine. Yes students, body क्या है? Living machine है. अभी क्यों living machine है? Tell me. हम क्या करते हैं? We walk by our legs. Our legs help us to walk. And what to do with hands? Yes, you hold things with the hands. फिर आप हाथ से क्या कर सकते हो? चीज़ें पकड़ सकते हो. देन द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट यू कैन राइट विद द हैंड. यस, आप लिख सकते हो हैंड के साथ. वॉट यू कैन डू विथ योर नोज. नोज के साथ आप क्या करते हैं? नोज इज हेल्प अस टू स्मेल द थिंग्स अराउंड अस. यस, नोज कैसे हेल्प करते हैं हमारी? जो आसपास में स्मेल आती है. यस, स्मेल आती है आपको? नोज से पता चलती है ना हमें स्मेल आती है. यस, सो नोज हेल्प अस टू स्मेल. हाउ डज आईज हेल्प अस? Eyes help us to see all the things around us. Yes, you can see a school near your house. Yes, you can see a park, garden, hospital, bank, office with the eyes. Yes, सो आप आइज़ के साथ क्या कर सकते हो? सारी चीज़ें जो हमारे आसपास में है वो हम आइज़ के साथ देख सकते हैं. या घर में कोई चीज़ है तो हमें उसको देखने के लिए किसकी हेल्प चाहिए? आइज़. यस, वी नीड हेल्प ऑफ एन आइज़. सो आवर बॉडी इज अ वंडरफुल लिविंग मशीन. यस स्टूडेंट्स, बॉडी इज अ वंडरफुल लिविंग मशीन. Then it has many parts. What does the line says? It has many parts. उसको क्या है? बहुत सारे parts है. Yes students. So you can see parts here. Yes, you can see parts here. Yes, you can see the parts of a body. The parts of body are hair, eye, nose, shoulder, elbow, arm, finger, leg, foot, ankle, knee, hand, stomach, chest, neck, mouth, tooth, ear and forehead. This all are the parts of body. ये सब क्या है? Parts of body है. Do all are you having this? Yes, do all are having this? Okay. Everybody has body parts. Yes. So let's first study further. Different parts of our body perform various function. Yes, what? Again read with me. Different parts of our body perform various functions. Yes students, different parts है body. In body there are different parts. अलग अलग पार्ट्स है, सबका काम अलग अलग होगा. पार्ट्स अलग अलग है, पार्ट्स डिफर करते हैं तो उसका वर्क भी अलग होगा. यस, सो वेयर इज द माउथ और वेयर इज द ईयर? टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, where is ear? Fine. Yes, it is here. Ear, E-A-R, ear. How does ear help you? How ear help you? वो ear क्या सुनने में, ear कैसे मदद करता है? If you want to listen any sounds or if you want to listen music, Cartoon Networks, all the movies. Yes, so how does ear help you? Ear help you to hear the sounds. Yes, ear आपको क्या help करता है? Sound सुनने में help करता है. So if there is no ear, you cannot see, you cannot hear anything. Yes, so ear is an important part. Every part of the body is an important. Yes students, every part of the body is important. So ear is help us to hear the sounds around us. Yes, so like this all the parts of body have functions of their own. As if fingers आपको कैसे help करती हैं? Yes, you can hold a pencil in the fingers and write in book. आप पेंसिल किस में पकड़ते हो? फिंगर्स में पकड़ते हो ना, फिर उसके साथ बुक्स में लिखते हो ना. यस. शोल्डर. हाउ डज शोल्डर हेल्प यू? On shoulder we can keep our bags. Yes, we can wear our bag on our shoulder. Yes. How does leg help you? Leg help you to walk. Leg help you to walk. So students, here are the different parts of the body and they perform different functions. Yes, every part of a body has function in it. Yes student. See, we have two eyes which help us to see. Yes, I have explained you. We have how many eyes? Two eyes. Yes, two eyes. How they help us? They help us to see. They help us to see. Two ears which helps us to hear. Yes, two ears. Where are they? Two ears help us to hear. Yes student. Ear help us to hear the sounds of cartoon networks, music. If you are watching the movie, then sounds of that hero, heroine. Yes, and that the song. Yes, do you know that? Our ears help us to hear the sounds. Ears क्या help करते हैं? Sound सुनने में. Yes, the effect of the sounds you can hear with our ears. Yes, one nose to smell. Yes, how does nose help us to smell the things around us? जो भी चीज़ें हैं अपने आसपास, अगर उसमें से कोई सुगंध आती है तो वो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? हमारे नोज से. यस, हमारे नोज से. सो अवर नोज, yes, our nose has smell the things. Yes, as if you are going in the hotel. आप होटल में जाते हो तो वहाँ पे खाना ऑर्डर करते हो. यस, द ऑर्डर, देन द ऑर्डर इज रिसीव्ड बाय यू. तो उसमें आपने जो ऑर्डर किया उसकी स्मेल आती है. यस, स्मेल आती है वहाँ पे. यस, इफ यू ऑर्डर पनीर भुर्जी, बटर नान, there you smell. Yes students, there you smell. Yes, so our nose help us to smell. Our nose help us to smell. One tongue to taste. There is the one tongue to taste. If you have to taste anything. Yes, if you have to taste anything, so your tongue help us to taste. Yes, your tongue help us to taste the thing. Like if you are eating, yes, what are you eating? Grapes. Yes, some grapes are sweet and some grapes are sour. बहुत सारे आप ग्रेप्स खाते हो तो उसमें बहुत सारे मीठे होते हैं, पर उसमें थोड़े बहुत कौन से भी आ जाते हैं? खट्टे. सो ग्रेप्स आर स्वीट एंड सॉर बोथ. तो आपको ये टेस्ट कहाँ से पता चला? टंग से. यस स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम टंग यू नो द टेस्ट. यस, एंड आवर स्किन टू फील. यस, आवर स्किन हेल्प अस टू feel. What does the skin help us? Skin help us to feel the things. Yes, see, it is my hand. If anyone pinch it here me. Yes, कोई मुझे यहाँ पे pinch करता है तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? कैसे पता चलेगा मुझे? Yes, our skin help us to feel. Our skin help us to feel the things. Yes, students. So our skin to feel. These are our five sense organs. These all are our five sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. This is our five sense organs. Five sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Yes students, these are our five sense organs. So on the next line, when we eat or lick something, it gives us a taste. Yes, when we eat or lick something, it gives us a taste. Yes students, it gives us a taste. It gives us a taste. If you are eating chocolate, yes, you are eating chocolates, तो it tastes like sweet. उसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है? मीठा होता है. So our tongue gives us taste. So students, किसको चॉकलेट नहीं पसंद? ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि स्टूडेंट्स को चॉकलेट नहीं पसंद. यस, सबको चॉकलेट पसंद होती है, तो चॉकलेट तो सब खाते हैं. तो चॉकलेट हमें क्या देती है? टेस्ट बताती है. टंग, चॉकलेट का टेस्ट कौन सा है? मीठा. यस, स्वीट. सो टंग हेल्प अस टू टेस्ट. यस स्टूडेंट्स, सो व्हेन वी ईट और lick something, it gives us a taste. Yes, the different tastes, sweet, sour, bitter, salty and spicy. Yes, अलग अलग टेस्ट होते हैं. Yes, the tastes are different, like sweet, sour, bitter, salty and spicy. Yes, sweet यानी मीठा, sour खट्टा, bitter कड़वा, salty and spicy. Yes, these five are different taste which can identify by a tongue. Yes, we can know the different taste by tongue. हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि इसका टेस्ट अच्छा है कि गंदा है? तो हमारी टंग के हेल्प से. यस, द टंग हेल्प अस टू टेस्ट. जैसे कि आप ग्रेप्स खाते हैं. यस, यू ऑल आर ईटिंग ग्रेप्स. यस, सो ग्रेप्स आर स्वीट, ऑल्सो ग्रेप्स आर सॉर. बहुत सारे ग्रेप्स मीठे भी होते हैं एंड बहुत सारे ग्रेप्स खट्टे भी होते हैं. यस स्टूडेंट्स, तो उसका हमें कौन सा टेस्ट मालूम पड़ा? स्वीट एंड सॉर. यस, वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई स्वीट एंड सॉर एज इफ वी कैन ऑल्सो आइडेंटिफाई बिटर, सॉल्टी एंड स्पाइसी. दिस फाइव टेस्ट कैन बी आइडेंटिफाई बाय टंग. Yes, identify by tongue. When we touch something, we can feel its texture or temperature. When we touch something, we can feel its texture or टेम्परेचर. यस, अभी हम कोई भी चीज़ को टच करते हैं तो हमें क्या पता चलता है? उसका टेक्सचर पता चलता है. यस, कि वो रफ है, स्मूथ है, हार्ड है या तो सॉफ्ट है. जैसे कि आप पिलो को टच करते हो तो पिलो कैसा है? सॉफ्ट. सो यू कैन touch the things and can find the texture of that things. Okay students, if you kept a box on a terrace in the afternoon, yes, and if you go for if you touch the box is very hot. Yes, the box is very hot. So we can find the temperature of the things. Yes, so from that we can find the temperature of that thing. अगर आप कोई भी चीज़, जैसे कि आप छत पे टेरेस में एक बॉक्स रखे है, वहाँ पे बॉक्स रखा है, तो आप उसको टच करोगे तो वो कैसा हो जाएगा? हॉट. एंड इफ यू पुट अ थिंग इन अ रेफ्रिजरेटर, यस, आप कोई भी चीज़ रेफ्रिजरेटर में से निकालते हो या रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखते हो तो वो कैसी होती है? ठंडी होती है. इट इज कोल्ड. यस, so we can identify the temperature with the help of the skin. Yes, with the help of a skin. See, when we touch something, we can find out whether it is rough, smooth, hard, soft, cold or hot. Yes, what the line says, if we touch something, अगर हम किसी चीज़ को टच करते हैं तो वो कैसी होएगी? रफ, स्मूथ, हार्ड, सॉफ्ट, कोल्ड और हॉट. यस, और हॉट. तो हमें पता चला कि हमें टेक्सचर और टेम्परेचर कैसे पता चलता है? टच करके. यस, touch. We can touch the things. We can find the temperature is rough, smooth, hard, soft, cold or hot. Yes. So the next line. In this manner, our body help us in different ways. Yes, our body help us in different ways. Our body, this is our body. Yes, ये क्या करती है? हमें फंक्शंस, हमारी बॉडी में फंक्शंस अलग अलग परफॉर्म करती है. Yes, and it help us to touch, hear, smell, see. Yes students, it help us to find the things. There are 5 sense organs. Which are they? Hair, eye, ear, tongue, nose and skin. These 5 sense organs are there. This body help us in different ways. Yes. In this manner, our body help us in different ways. Yes, no. Now we do the exercise. Complete the spellings. Yes, complete the spelling. There are spellings. Yes, in the exercise there are missing letters in that. You have to complete the spelling. So let's begin. The first one. W dash and D dash R F dash L. Yes, this is a spelling. You have to complete it. So go to the paragraph and find the spelling. W. Yes, it is here. It is here. So W O and D E R F U L. Wonderful. Yes, wonderful. The next one. F U N dash T I dash and S. So go to the paragraph and find that spelling. Where it is? Yes, it is here. So F U N is written. C T I O. Yes, O and S. It is functions. Yes, it is function. You have to find from the paragraph and you have to write here. Okay, students. So the next spelling is H-E dash R. H-E dash R. So again go to the paragraph and find the spelling H-E. Yes, it is here H-E dash R. So H-E-A-R. Yes, so you have to write A here. H-E-A-R here. The next one S-O dash R. S-O dash R. Yes, so go to the paragraph and find S-O dash R. Yes, it is here S-O-U-R. So you have to write here U. So you have to find from the paragraph. Find from the paragraph and you have to write there. Yes, students. So the next line. T dash and dash U-E. T dash and dash U-E. Yes, go to the paragraph and find the spelling where it is. Yes, it is here. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. O-N-G. So it is tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Yes, tongue help us to taste. The next one. S-I-N. S-I-N. Go to the paragraph again and find where it is. Yes, it is here. So it is a skin. What it is? Skin. K. K is missing. So we will write K. It is skin. So skin help us to feel the things. Yes. Then the next one. B-I dash T-E dash. So again go to the paragraph. Where it is? Fine. Yes, where it is? It is here. It is here. So it is bitter. T-R. Yes, bitter. So the next blank is S dash I dash Y. Yes, again go to the paragraph and find where it is. Yes, it is here. Yes, student, it's spicy. So write here P-C-Y, spicy. Okay, it's spicy. So have you understand? So rest of the exercise you have to complete it from the paragraph. Yes, read the spelling, then go to the paragraph, find the spelling and then write and then pronounce it also. Yes, so you have to complete it. Okay.
So students, hope you understand the body parts and sense organs. Yes, have you clearly understood that? Yes, so I will be sharing a PDF. You have to complete it. Okay, take care. Bye bye.